नमस्ते, मैं अनुजा जैन स्टूडियो सुविधागा इंदौर से। तो आज हम आपके लिए लेके आए हैं अजरक कॉटन ज्योमेट्रिकल स्पेशल कुर्ती फैब्रिक्स। सो दीज आर वेरी स्पेशल कुर्तीज. Each and every piece is different. Shall open each and every one for you. So the first pattern is this. It's a red brick color, and these are 3 meter each fabric. You can make full length kurtis. Free size, any plus size kurti easily we can make. So this is the first pattern, and the second color we have is this. It's a blue color. You just have a look on each and every piece. They design so beautifully. Each and every design has different geometrical pattern, like this with lining. They have polka dots at the side. So in this pattern we have two colors, red brick and blue. And now the second pattern, the one I am wearing, it has a panel. I'll open first piece. So you can see we have designed it in a very different way. Let's see. So this is the fabric. नीचे पैनल है एंड एट द बैक इज ऑल्सो गिवन. सो लाइक मैंने इसका जो डिज़ाइनिंग किया है, आई हैव यूज्ड वन साइड ऑफ पैनल एट द बैक. अब देखिए, ये मैंने एक पैनल फ्रंट में यूज़ किया एंड वन पैनल आई हैव यूज्ड एट द बैक. सो गिव अ वेरी डिफरेंट लुक टू द कुर्तीज. So in the same way we can also do. So this is the first fabric. Now we have different shades in it. So this is the first piece on blue, and the second one is a black. Just see the combinations the artisans have done. So beautiful, so gracefully. See, just carry them with some plain shades pants. So this is the second color, black. And again the combination I am wearing, it's a blue with the fluorescent green combination. You can make the kaftans also from these. Then the combination of red brick with blue. Both the sides has a panel. Now the next pattern is little bit different with more of dots and stars pattern. See, now this panel is used in between. See, front and back. It's like this. So you can see each and every design is so different. Now we have 3 different shades in it. It's a lovely earthy shade, a very light olive combination. I just love this one, and the greyish blue combination they have given. We'll share the pictures as well of these fabric, but you have a proper look. You can see, and these are pure cotton, 60/60 cotton fabric. So comfortable for all the seasons. So this is the second color. Then again we have a brick red and a see. And you don't have to do the mix and matching of the pants. Just carry them with the black color. It's look very smart. Don't go with the exact combinations. Then again we have the blue with brick red combinations, and these all are single pieces. We cannot recreate them because they are all designer pieces and they take some time, about a month's time to get ready, so we cannot restock them. Then again the black with, and these are very perfect for your office wears, regular wears. See the color combination, so beautifully done. And you see the polka dots they have given, it's give a very elegant look to the piece. Now we have the fourth design, I mean the fourth pattern. Again the geometrical pattern. And this pattern will come something like a V curve in between. So this is how it is. See, just have a look properly, because in the pictures they won't be this much clear, and the back will also be same. See, I just love the pattern, it's very different. Then we have the different shades of it. We have 3 different colors in it. Next is red, again brick red with a greyish blue combination. You can buy these fabrics, put the fabrics as well as being customized for you. The choice is totally yours. And the third piece on it is the fluorescent green combination. So I have shown you almost 3-4 patterns. Now this is the 5th pattern. It's more of triangles. See, I just love the printing they have done, the color combination they have used. They are very settled, very soothing to the eyes. And in this pattern we have a blue and a brick red. That was black with brick red. Now this is our blue with brick red. Then we have the blue with fluorescent green, a very settled green. Then the last color in it, it's a red black. So guys, basically color are same, but the pattern you like, you can choose your pattern. And this time we have stocked so much of blue, don't worry about it. So you won't miss your favorite blue. Now the last pattern is this. Sorry, I have nothing. So last pattern is this. It has a front panel, like you can see. It will come like this. The whole body will be plain, and this will be the back. So it's totally depend on you how you want to use it. We can use it as it like this also. And this is be the front. So choice is totally yours. They look nice in every pattern. So this is the last pattern we have. So this is the black color in it. Then we have lovely brick red color. See. Then again the combination of blue with brick red. You can use these for your friends, sisters, mothers, to give them also. It's a choice of almost everyone, those who have a very elegant and sober taste. And the last one is our blue with fluorescent green. So here are the 6-7 different patterns I have shown you in the cotton Ajrak designer pieces, kurti fabric. These are 3 meter each fabric. You can make with the plus sizes also, no problem with that. Even you can go for the kaftans also. The choice is totally yours. You can buy directly these from our Instagram page, WhatsApp us at 9039717636. You can watch all these videos from our YouTube channel, Studio Sui Dhaga by Anuja Jain. If you want, we can customize also for you. So choice is totally yours. Hope you like the collection. Do follow us. Thank you.